Hello and good afternoon to all of my viewers on YouTube. It's Angel from Angel's Car Reviews. Sorry for the very long wait. It is a hot day in which to excel. I am back at it with another car review. This afternoon, I present to you a full in-depth tour and walk around. And believe it or not, this is a 2015 Maserati Ghibli. And this could be a full in-depth tour of the Maserati Ghibli. I'm going to jump inside the car. I'm going to start it up. I'm also going to pop the hood and show the engine, as well as the exterior and the interior throughout the video. And believe it or not, this is my first time ever doing a Maserati. And so, without further ado, let's go and hop on in. We'll start the engine and let it run. Here goes the key fob. The Maserati Ghibli does have a remote start. All you do, like the button and hit the button twice. As you can see, the Maserati Ghibli does have a remote start. Simple as that. The Maserati Ghibli does have a smart key access system. All you do is just keep the key fob in your pocket. As you can see, the vehicle is unlocked. All you do, tap the button to lock it, and then after 1 second, put your hand behind the door handle, and it unlocks the door. And also, when you close the door, the windows will automatically close. Nice. The color of the exterior is white pearl. With black leather interior. This is a red color on the leather, and you also do have black leather on the seats too. That's pretty cool. Power driver seat with power recline and power lumbar as well. All right, let's have a seat. The Maserati Ghibli does have a push-button ignition. So what you have to do is just keep the key fob in the vehicle. You put your foot on the brake and hit a button to start the engine. And also, when you turn on the vehicle, this wheel does have a power telescoping steering wheel, and it does have an automatic sliding seat as well. It's got a 3-spoke rotary drive steering wheel, very smooth power steering. This one has motion extensions off to the side. Coming to the transmission, you have a 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shiftability, and it does have a backup camera, which when you put the vehicle into reverse. Electronic parking brake. Not bad. So, let's go with the headlights. Does have automatic lights, fog lights, and don't forget the hazards. And don't forget, This car has 60,434 miles. All the windows are automatic. And let's check out the exterior, shall we? These are fairway tires. There are 19-inch aluminum wheels. Here's your exhaust. Locks in place with your fuel cap. This is the Maserati logo on it. Turn signal mirrors. Alright. Power locks, power windows, power mirrors, storage. The car was made in July of 2015. Alright. This is the seat position. The seat position is down here. This one has the automatic power seat, the driver automatic driver seat. This one has a power telescoping steering wheel too. Alright, let's pop the hood. V6 engine. There's your battery, your oil. Alright, let's start him up. Alright, let's keep the AC cold because it's hot out here. Alright. Let's see how the Maserati sounds. Very nice. Okay. Over here, you have your speedometer, your tachometer, and your driver info system. Coming to the center stack, you do have your AM, FM radio with Sirius XM satellite radio.
Most industrialized countries, including this country, have a negative birth rate. Our is very, very high, and we're short about 50, 60,000 apartments every single year. And then, remember I said, we're barely building at 38%.
You can go to, it says no disc, you can go to player, heated seats for the driver and passenger. You can turn off the screen off too. This screen reminds me of a Dodge Charger if you didn't notice. Simple to use, automatic command control. Dual zone automatic command control. It's right here too. Different zones. Max AC, front defrost, rear defrost, temperature, fan speed, S, Y, and C. I think this is for the temperature. Navigation. You can go to telephone as well. And you can go to more too. That's pretty cool. Okay. Voice command, Bluetooth telephone controls, pedal shifters on the back of the steering wheel. To the left, to the signals. There we go. Windshield wipers, cruise control, down here too. The steering wheel is in very good condition. Like, this is all leather too. Interior map lights, which they don't work. Garage home link. One touch automatic sunroof. Nice. Analog clock on the top. Command controls down here. This one has CD player, SD card, cup holders. This is the key fob for the vehicle. Auxiliary and USB. You can go to sport mode, ICE, manual mode, traction control off button. Nice center console. It's made of leather. I also do have another power outlet down here too. Nice. What an excellent vehicle. Memory seats right here too. All right. And let's go ahead and shut down the Maserati Ghibli, or Ghibli, whatever you want to call it. Nice. All right. Let's check out the back seat. Armrest with storage. Two power outlets right here. Cup holders. Rear air vents. Interior map lights. All right. Unlock doors. Okay, now let's check out the trunk. And also I almost forgot to grab the key fob too. Don't forget to grab the key. Now let's go check out the trunk, shall we? Now to open the trunk, there are two ways. You can press it on the remote, or you can press it on the trunk, on the hand too. Nice. Another power outlet right here as well. Power passenger seats. Good size glove box. All right. Now we come to the conclusion. Hope you guys enjoyed the full in-depth tour and walk-around look at this 2015 Maserati Ghibli. And guys, I know it has been a very long time since I haven't done much car reviews because I have some other stuff to do. But anyways, this is Angel's Car Review signing off. Make sure to don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the like button if you like this video. And also don't forget to leave a comment below as well. This is Angel's Car Reviews signing off. Thanks for watching and goodbye.